Here we are looking at the term speaking name, and a speaking name is a name that is going to provide information about the characteristics, functions, or contents of the object or person it refers to. It is often going to be used in programming and naming conventions, but can also be applied to everyday objects or even people's names. Some examples would be a variable that clearly indicates what the information holds. In a real-world context, a speaking name could be a business called the flower shop.